Fucking 8 giga update. It's fucking... Is this the moment?
Păi, e și instant după Facey și ne jucăm train. Mamă,
Coaie, 8 giga. Why do they drop these at like 1 a.m.?
mamă, dar tu și cât să ne îmbănesc mâine că se trezesc cu TikTok-ul și zice train is back? Oh, stai ce? Stai ce? Train!
Train!
We're happy to lose the return of...
Black Eastern European Train.
Coaie, dă-te văzut cum arată?
Da, uite-l.
Coaie, cum arată, tu
What
vezi?
is this? I'm loving... Vine să plâng! Vine să plâng! Vine să plâng!
E diferit.
Înapoi, nu vine să cred, mi-a băgat harta înapoi, mi-a băgat harta înapoi! Let's fucking go!
Coaie, de când... Mamă, cum arată? Coaie, cum arată? Câte FPS-uri am, mă, pe ăsta? 30?
Am 500, suntem pe offline. Ăsta e T-spawn-ul. În ce țară e totuși? Că au zis că e Eastern European. Tiana.
Cred că Ucraina, nu?
Ucraina sau Rusia, sau poate chiar Bulgaria, dracu știe.
Arată insane.
Coaie, îmi vine să plâng. Fără
What? Au pus, Coaie, uite, au pus un track spre Ivy. Ca să nu mai fie gen picul de la Ivy, așa, gen...
Da. Bă,
Nu mai vezi?
zi A sau B.
Mamă, mi-e frică. Mamă, îmi place mai mult, așa că du-te pe prima dată.
Ok, fucking god, what did they...
What? E doar o gaură în perete acolo.
Unde?
unde scrie.
What?
What?
What is this going on? What the f... Wait, let's go back. You're coming as a T, right? Deci, B is there. What? No longer? Pop dog?
What?
They removed the stairs?
The fuck?
Okay, and now to reach Pop Dog you have to go down here?
Yup. Nah.
I like this better, Nigolo.
Yeah, I like this better, so you don't have to fall and get killed.
And fucking die for nothing.
Oh my god.
Oh my
What?
god! They put What?
What the fuck?
Băleat!
This looks insane.
Au dat remove la asta ca să nu mai fie gen the one way, știi?
Yep.
Ok. They put train back, oh my fucking god!
It was way too city-sided.
Da.
So they balanced it.
And the new ladder is here, okay. So you can play around this corner and that corner.
What the fuck?
This is the new site. This... Oh, ți-am zis că o să dea remove la mai multe de-astea, ți-am zis sau nu ți-am zis? Tocmai ce vorbeam azi de asta. Oh my god, e rainy, I love it. Well, look at the Volvo,
Volkswagen!
blood. Yeah, look at the Volvo, blood. This is a Golf 90, I can't believe it. Păi e tobe.
Yeah,
like that.
I wanted to see how it looks.
Okay. Let's go
Oh
Ivy.
my god.
Let's avoid sight as much.
I want to see Con first. Oh, this looks so cool.
What?
What?
What? They closed.
Nah.
It's only one now?
What is this?
Yeah, this is
Nah,
definitely Soviet. They only made one end. What?
What?
Băleat. So this is
What?
Ivy. Okay. Ivy looks the same. They still have the corner.
No, this is so fucking different. What the fuck?
No, trebuia să schimbe ceva. Nu pot să dea doar lui
It's way too different. I think it's way too different.
So this is the new Ivy. Now we have a corner. Okay.
I almost feel like it's too different.
No, it's not. It's really not. So this is the new A main. You fight Ivy there. You fight Pop Dog there. The E-box, okay, we still have E-box.
Electric.
E mult mai open.
Yep, it's really open. You can't go anywhere.
There's no heaven. There's no
Oh.
heaven. There's no heaven, Bled. Bled, there's no heaven. Inshallah they remove heaven connector. Okay, so we've basically seen the whole back. Inshallah they... Smokes! You can throw smokes through
my.
here. Okay, I like this, Bled. You can smoke that, smoke
Can you
that.
boost? Can you boost in C?
That
maybe?
would be insane.
They would remove it if you could.
No, you can boost here and... Wait. Yeah. Cred că poți să vezi acolo, nu?
Yep.
Oh my fuck, it's not that different. But it is very different. But I like the textures very much and I like the fact that
Yeah,
it's rainy.
it looks amazing. It almost looks like it's not CS.
Bля. Wait, let's take the thumbnail.